Hello, Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Dr. Minam Akbar. I have recently cleared my MRCP UK Part 1 exam in August diet, and I would like to give you some advice on preparation of the exam. First of all, I would like to thank, and I'm really grateful that I was a student of Dr. Ahad's group. He was a great support, and all the notes and all the recordings he provided me, I have gone through them twice or thrice. First of all, I have three basic advice for you all for preparation of the exam. First, that you should have a study partner for your exam. That's very necessary and very fruitful. I have a partner for Bangladesh, and his name was Dr. Shafiq. Second, that you should have a good tutor who can advise you, and that's Dr. Ahad. He has given all the notes, all the mat boxes, all the recordings of each lecture, all the topics he covered online sessions. I have gone through them. I was a candidate for August stamp, but I have taken his all online past paper sessions February. Those sessions took almost a month, and I have gone through past papers, all the 45 videos we did online. Third, how to study through a book, which textbooks. Acha, I have want to tell you guys that the exam was really tough and twisted because we were confused between two answers, and there were literally two answers were similar. Which one we should select that? I had gone through the book Maghribi. It was a huge help for me. My concepts were really vast and broadened up after doing Maghribi. I had did 2 reads from Maghribi. I have done few chapters from Notes and Notes. I would like to mention rheumatology, infectious diseases, and neurology. Neurology was a real challenge for me because I was not gone through neurology from couple of years, but Notes and Notes has given and broadened my mind as well, and there were few questions which helped me to correct the answers in the exam, and I literally believe they were from Notes and Notes in neurology. Rather than that, I had done past medicine textbook. I have given 2 reads from past medicine textbook. I have done all the questions of past medicine, almost completed them 10 days before the exam. I have given a second read to all the past paper lectures from Dr. Ahad's video almost 20 days before the exam, and in while between doing the lectures, I have started making few notes, and I have started making a list of topics. Those topics I couldn't remember, and I was literally doing wrong answers. I started making a list so I can revise only those topics before the exam, and I literally did that. I almost selected 250 to 200 topics almost, and I just gave a read to them before the exam, and only Dr. Ahad's Madbox topics. This was my preparation for the exam, and it really helped me to clear the exam and to get out of myself of the confusion between the two questions and get the correct one. Hope this will help you guys, and this will help you clear your exam, inshallah. Thank you.